this is Alfred Okal.
Yes.
Yeah, Okal, I'm the Senior Procurement Manager of Chuka University.
Chuka University?
Yeah, we are based here in Chuka, in Meru.
In Meru?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, because of the security,
yes,
yeah, we wanted somebody who can supply and install for us the electric fence.
Yes.
Yeah, the CCTV camera.
Okay.
The access control systems.
Yes.
Fire alarm systems. And then the last one is the structured cabling.
Yes.
The project is being financed by the Equity Bank.
All right.
Total budgeted figure is coming to roughly 30 million.
Okay.
Yeah, now the reason why we were looking for someone.
Yes.
Is because they wanted the big U to read 34 million. We wanted to put something small above and over. Nyinyi munaitanga kanyamuka nini?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that at least you can work together as a team.
Okay.
Yeah, so I want to send you where do I send the document? Can I send them to Gilgil? Can I send them to Nanyuki? Or where do I send the document?
I'm based in Nairobi.
So can I send them to Nairobi?
Yes.
Yeah, so I'm sending you the BQ.
Yes.
With the plan.
Okay.
And with the drawings.
Okay.
The engineer rate and estimate. Tender documents.
Yes.
And also what we have to know is that Chuka is a public university.
Yes.
And we cannot single source for an installer.
All right.
So we wanted to follow what we call the PPOS, procurement procedures. So that somebody cannot take you to court that we have single source your company.
True.
So on that note, we wanted to float 5 companies.
Okay.
So that at least everything is quite competitive.
Ni kweli. Pepo iko sawa.
Yeah, but instead of calling different companies to come and purchase the BQ,
yes,
I want you to purchase all of them. There are 5 of them. So that at least you yourself you can come up with some other 4 companies for the competition. So that at least we can be sure that the project is going to be awarded to your company.
Okay, no problem.
So I want to send you the BQ.
Yes.
With the plan. And with the drawings.
Yes.
And the engineer rate and estimates. Tender documents.
Yes. And
also I'm going to attach the 4 blank BQs, the one which I want you to come up with. And plus the original receipt from the account.
All right, no problem.
So SMS me the name of your company.
Okay.
With the box number.
Sawa.
And with the email address.
Yes.
And with the physical address where you wanted the document to be dropped tomorrow. Then you get the documents tomorrow, you work on them.
Yes.
And then you come to the office next week on Tuesday. So that you can come and view the site. And also so that you can know, because for this project we are going to organize for a down payment of 60%.
Yes.
That will be for the purchase of the materials.
Yes.
Then after the supplies of the materials, we are going to give another 30% for the installation. And then the remaining 10% will be paid after the completion of the project. Okay. Yeah, so SMS me the name of your company, the box number, the email address, and the physical address. And then after that, you are big use at 1,000 shillings each. And because I'm sending you 5 of them.
Yes.
So I want you to send me 5,000 for the purchase of 5 BQs. And 1,000 for sending through G4, so that you can get the documents tomorrow. You work on them.
Yes.
And then you come to the office next week on Tuesday.
So that comes to about 6,000, right?
That's a total of just 6,000 only.
Okay, sawa.
Yeah.
No problem. And I'm on the road right now.
Yeah.
So when I stop somewhere, then I'll text you the details.
No problem.
Sawa.
Okay, fine. Your name again?
My name is Albert.
Albert Kinywa.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Thanks. I'm waiting for the details, huh?
And Mr. Okal, this is not the first time you're calling people, huh?
You?
This is not the first time you're calling people to con them of money, is it?
But you are the one who has just called me.
You're the one who's called me. I'm using your credit.
No problem. Credit is nothing to me.
Credit is nothing to you?
Yeah.
Hii mambo ya chuko umefanya miaka mingi sana, my friend. Hii si siku ya kwanza.
Is it your problem?
It's not my problem. It's your problem.
Then why you poking your nose into something which you are not a part?
My friend, hasira itakupeleka mahali popote.
Unajua nikikosa ile ufita na kuwa na hasira sana.
Haina shida. Hujaipata bado.
Wewe.
Omera bwana. Kenya iko kubwa bwana, mafuta imepanda.
Kikuyu. Ujui mafuta imepanda?
My friend, hii industry tumekujua sana bwana. So tafuta trick nyingine tafadhali.
Unajua sasa tangu mnikundwe niko na njaa sana, hata
sasa utafanya nini bwana?
Hata fare ya kwenda town hakuna.
Ndio hiyo sasa.
Natembea mguu.
Hata sisi tunatafuta juu chini bwana.
Hakuna wasiwasi mzee, nikutafuta boss.
Nakuelewa.
Ile mbaya ni ile ya kuwekea mtu bunduki kwa kichwa.
Ndio hiyo sasa.
Okay. Sawa, kuna shida mzee.
Sawa, karibu. Asante.
Asante kwa kusupport foundation yangu.
Haina shida, as long as unakula na uweke bunduki kwa kichwa ya mtu ni sawa.
Tuweke kama 200 hapo.
Ndio nakwambia niko kwa barabara sasa hizi.
Weke 200 bwana.
Na kutumia ya credit hiyo unatumia.
Yaani unanichekelea.
Sasa, no, it is very funny, Omera. It is very funny.
Alafu unanichekelea ili ukweli.
Hata si ya uongo.
Unajua ile kucheka na ile kuchekela ile ya uongo na kuna ya ukweli.
Hakuna.
Unanichekelea mpaka machozi yanatoka. Hiyo ni mbaya. Hiyo ni mbaya.